Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon garlic salmon with a mango avocado salsa. This is one of my go-to salmon dishes and it tastes so good, and I know you guys will enjoy it as much as I do. So let me show you how to make it. Let's start by making the marinade for the salmon. Peel and roughly chop 3 garlic cloves. For this recipe, I am using 4 skinless salmon fillets. Add the minced garlic into a small bowl and squeeze in 1 fresh lemon. Then add the olive oil. And for the seasoning, add in paprika, black pepper, and salt. Mix till the marinade comes together. You'll be able to get the measurements on my site linked below. Now take the salmon and pour and cover the mixture on both sides of the salmon. Once well coated, set aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, butter the baking dish to prevent the salmon from sticking to the bottom. Add the marinated salmon and bake for about 12 to 14 minutes. Mine took 14 minutes, but baking time will vary according to the thickness of the salmon. Meanwhile, let's make the salsa. Slice both sides of the mango, and by using a knife, make cuts into the mango to make small cubes. Spoon the mango cubes into a bowl. Do the same with the other half. Next, take 1 large avocado. Cut the avocado in half, peel and pit the avocado and cut into small cubes, and add this into the bowl. Then roughly chop half of a red onion and add into the bowl. Take half of a tomato and cut into small cubes. Add this to the bowl. Now add a pinch of salt and juice of half of a fresh lemon. And stir to combine. Now add about 2 sprigs of fresh cilantro to the salsa. You can add more cilantro if you like. Mix and refrigerate till the salmon is ready. The salmon came out perfect. Serve the salmon with the salsa. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also get this recipe on my website, and if y'all ever do make one of my recipes, don't forget to send me a picture and hashtag Gifty's Kitchen Delights. And I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!